love Ranbir Kapoor. We have actors from different places and different calibers coming together, collaborating, creating something that is so unique that India as a country is, I think, making its own space in the global scenario.
Yeah. Everyone watch Dil Dosti Dilemma on Amazon Prime.
Hi, this is Tejashree from E-Times and today we have with us the wonderful cast of Dil Dosti Dilemma. Hi, how are you?
Hi!
Okay, so first of all, let me ask, how is your summer vacations going on?
Great.
Very hot.
It's going great.
Some wave is coming from
We're
Australia.
promoting. See, we both are saying
hot.
कि promoting the show. They're like hot.
It's going
hot.
nicely. It's very hot.
हम लोग बोल रहे
We
हैं
are
कि
spending our summers in promotions. Go to the next question.
Okay, so my next question is, have you, any one of you, have you ever fooled your friends just like how Asmara did? Like, वो बोल रही है कि मैं Canada जा रही हूँ and ending up going to her nanny's place.
Yeah.
So have you, one by one, you can take answers from that side.
Yeah, Vishakha. Have you ever fooled your friends?
I
कभी
fooled
झूठ बोला है।
एक बार. I just didn't wanted to go to that wedding and a friend of mine was waiting for me कि हम साथ में ही चलेंगे and मैं नहीं गई and she was like कि उसको मेरे साथ ही जाना था तो वो भी नहीं गई and she's not talking to me अभी तक.
इसकी वजह से?
Because yeah.
I will be friendless then. Yeah. Same. I have been friendless.
But like white lies.
Yeah, I mean,
been a part of
there's no
friendship.
harm, no? कि मतलब कभी-कभी I want to have my me time, so I'll be like, hey guys, I'm shooting, चलो
Yeah,
अलविदा
mainly for me
दोस्तों,
time.
bye bye.
Yeah.
And then I'm like
I've pretended to be in places that I'm not.
Yeah.
And I've pretended to
Many
be busy
times.
when I'm not. Like when I just want to sleep, I'm just like, I'm in a meeting.
yeah, I'm flying
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
ये सब
Yeah.
बहुत किया.
I'll be my
And-
favorite
and-
is I'll be unavailable, I'm taking a flight.
If the friendship is
Just
that
for
strong,
2
they'll
hours.
understand you.
Yeah,
also.
I know.
Exactly.
You know,
Yeah.
they'll
So
get
white
you.
lies
They
all
won't
about
question
it.
you further.
Also, I mean, we discussed this. Also, sometimes friends will tell you to do things and you won't do it. So you lie about that also. हाँ
Right.
किया
Yeah.
तो किया.
Right.
Like there's this friend who's after me to try yoga. I keep telling her I
फिर
did
मैं
no
सब होने
today.
के बाद सच बोल देते कि अरे
Like
नहीं
you keep telling me you're leaving sugar.
Yeah. Anyway.
Okay, there is a dialogue in the trailer.
Yeah.
Trailer in the series.
Yeah.
कि आपको पता है young होना कितना महंगा है.
बिल्कुल,
So
बाप रे.
I would like to ask each one of you how महंगा, like
अरे.
how महंगा is to be young.
For you.
For you.
Obviously, this question is for youth.
Hey, you can also answer this.
Thanks.
Yes.
Skin, hair, nails, lunch, brunch, dinner, after
क्या ना
party.
skin, hair,
Skin,
nails,
hair, nails, lunch, brunch, dinner, after party.
I love how the party wasn't mentioned. We went straight to
मैंने
after
after
party. Anyway, yeah.
But it is, no? It
No, I don't
is.
know if it's that expensive for everybody.
It's not so expensive for me.
मैं तो बहुत
I'm
सेविंग करती
saying,
हूँ
but-
ज़्यादा पार्टी नहीं करती तो
She
it's
is a
like
रुखसाना. She's like मैं नहीं करती, मेरे लिए तो मेरा सस्ते में निकल जाता है.
मेरा बहुत सस्ते में निकल जाता है.
मैं है, मैं हूँ थोड़ी.
नहीं, इसका है definitely. इसका अगर ये नहीं बोलती ना तो मैं बहुत डांटती उसको.
नहीं नहीं
झूठी
मैं हूँ,
मक्कार
मेरे को
औरत.
पसंद है कुछ चीजें. I work hard, play hard like that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Why not? And people are relating to the line, by the way. Every
Yeah.
comment, all the fans were
Yeah.
like, "ये relatable line है."
I feel
पता है
like there should
Starbucks
be
जाके 400
there should
रुपए से
be
लाया. But it's
yeah.
true. No, what do you think?
I feel like it's more expensive for me now. When I was young, there wasn't, when I was young, meaning these people का age का, तभी I didn't have very expensive.
Yeah, yeah.
I was
It's
very
nice, but it's nice to
ये
maintain
train से
yourself
जाओ
like
college,
that.
ये वो. खुद पैसे जीत बना. Once you're earning on your own, I feel like you can uda
Yeah.
what you're earning.
That's what I was going to
Yeah.
say. Depends
Yeah.
on how much money I have. If
Yeah.
I have money, then
Yeah.
it's
And
महंगा.
you're
If I
spending
don't,
your
then
own
it's
money, so it's
Yeah.
fine. That's
Like I
okay.
think in the context of the show, she's trying to get money out of her dad by giving that.
that's different.
So I feel like that I don't think any of us will ever go and torture our parents. saying हमको ना. We have to get
Never
manicures.
happened only.
The
Come
opposite
on.
actually. Abhi
Yeah,
now you
so-
feel guilty.
Yeah, exactly.
Even if they buy, I'm like, oh.
Yeah, exactly.
Why?
Why?
But why did you buy?
Yeah,
I can buy myself.
Yeah.
It's not ki, why did you buy? I didn't like it. It's just that ki, you buy it for yourself instead.
Yeah.
I'll buy it for me. It's like that. It's out of
Yeah.
respect and
That's true.
you've given me enough. Now it's my time to give it
Yeah.
back. It's just
Correct,
that.
Yeah.
Any vacations went wrong?
Oh,
Yeah.
what a question.
Vacations always go right. Should
Always go right.
Yeah, no, one horrible I had. Oh, Baba.
I am sorry.
I
Then Revati is not the vacation. It is not the
You
vacation.
cannot have a reaction like that and be like, I'm not going to tell Papa, but it was very bad.
It's
बताओ ना.
disgusting, guys.
But she wants to know.
Yeah.
She wants to know and we want to know.
What is
Nation
the-
wants to know. We family went out for a like a getaway kind of 3-4 days. fun trip. Everyone was fine. So the hotel where we were staying, the entry was, I don't know why, that it was a great hotel, but the entry was right in front of the fermenting room, जहाँ पे इडली डोसा का बैटर नहीं बनता वो So we had to cross that room and go, and it used to stink. Okay, so हमको वो smell की वजह से ना the kids, we all my cousins we like नहीं आज हमको ही नहीं आज हमको Chinese खाना guys come on.
I know what happened after. I can just guess it already.
So we all went to have Chinese. और वो जगह पे ना कोई था नहीं, बस हमारे जिद में था कि आज हमको चाइनीज खाना ही है, बस वो जिद था कि चाइनीज खाना कैसे भी हो हमको खाना है, हमारा ये था. खाया, रेस्टोरेंट में कोई है नहीं दूसरा, we should have taken the hint that time only. उसके बाद फर्मेंटिंग रूम के बाजू में हम
क्या हुआ कैसे एंड कैसे हुआ ये सबका लूज मोशन इट इज एंडिंग इन लूज मोशंस इज इट एंडिंग इन
going from everywhere. And the lucky part is I was with my moms, like my mom, my masi, my mami, my all those people. So वो bathroom सिर्फ मेरा था, but the one with cousins बेचारे round लगा के जा. I told you it's disgusting. But you want to listen? Good story.
None of my vacations have gone wrong.
wow
Am I the only one like this?
no
Dilemma.
I can't remember but I'm
No,
sure
dilemmas
they
have
went
happened.
wrong like छोटा छोटा
छोटा छोटा तो हो
कुछ
जाता
ना
है.
कुछ तो
हाँ, वो तो होता है.
Once
Yeah.
I went to my nanny's house and my cousins were there after a couple of years, like we were all meeting together. My mamu has 2 sons and we went bicycling once, I say nearby park mein. And I didn't know he would be such a delicate darling. I got very competitive, full Tanya I am now. So we did like a race and once I like मैंने overtake किया उसको, वो मत कर करके we fell and 2-3 days later we got a call, he's fractured one arm and my nanu said, Elisha, what have you done? I got a hearing scolding for it. And then 2 days later we get, he's fractured the other arm also. So then one month.
God, I once went to the airport. Okay, there used to be this thing on old passports, okay, called ECNR. Okay, ECNR is immigration check not required. It was cut on my passport. Basically, I didn't obviously realize that if it's cut, not required is cut means it's required. I went, my bag got checked in. Everyone left, and I got bumped off the flight. I had to go back home, and then go on the next flight. That's the one I remember. Wow. Listen, it's funny. You don't have to be that shocked and all of that. It's okay. It was a flight to Malaysia. Oh God. Because ECNR was cut. That happened.
This something like this can only happen to you.
Stop it. You had a poop fest on a vacation. How dare? How dare you?
Okay, my next question is for you. Since the series is based on a novel, so as a director, how you differentiated the series with the
From
novel?
the novel?
From the novel, and what audience is going to get new from it?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, in a very apples to apples comparison, the storyline, our series is far more fleshed out than the novel. The novel was, as you know, it's called Asmara Summer by Andale Wajid, and the novel is about Asmara Summer. Everything is pivoted around Asmara. So it's about Asmara who does what she does, gets sent to her nanny's place, and her interactions with Rukhsana and Faizan. In the novel, it's not like Nana has his own story. It's not like Tanya and Naina have their own story. It's not like Farzan has a story outside of. Everyone's story is anchored on Asmara in the novel, because in the novel it's just about Asmara. Versus what I think we've done with the show is we've made it a far more holistic ensemble storyline, in terms of every single character gets their own story arc, has their own journey, has their own learning, makes their own mistakes. So the way it differentiates from the novel, and if you read the novel you'll see, is that it feels far more packed, and it feels far more gratifying and satisfying to watch, because it's every character you see has a journey. So tomorrow, for whatever reason, and this is something we used to say on set, that we have so many couples on the show, ki if you, for whatever reason, if you don't like Asmara Farzan, there is Naina Arman, there is Tanya Dhruv, there is Nana Nani, there is Shadab Pushpa, then there is the friendship with the 3 girls. Naina, kya hua?
What happened?
Naina,
She said
nothing.
if you don't like Asmara Farzan.
For whatever reason.
Why
but
would you
still,
not like
Whatever
Asmara?
reason also I said.
So petty.
Please ignore.
Okay. The show has a mix of actors. Like you have veterans and these young people. So how different it was to manage them and to work with them.
Manage them.
Yeah.
Or
Work
each
with them.
set comes with their. I mean, I think. I don't think there were special problems that came with them or with the with the senior cast. I think because we also had a set that was very young and very very energetic.
True.
And we had a very ऐसे हंसता खेलता set. So I think sort of what happened was everyone sort of got into the same mood on the set, you know, and even the senior member like Tanvi and Shishir and Suhasini would goof around as much as these guys would goof around, you know, and sometimes these guys would be like that. These two have sat down and talked to me like I was a child and they are my parents ki thoda चीनी कम करो, ये सब कम करो, कैसे जी रहा है तुम life. So I think we were I think there was a certain fluidity on the set where it was allowed. Nobody was put into a box कि आप तो senior हो, आप ऐसे रहो, आप ऐसे तुम बच्चा है, तुम इधर रहो. So because we had that kind of an atmosphere on set, I think it was not like problems were problems. It didn't happen because senior cast versus junior cast. Because even if I have a very senior cast with a lot of experience, I have two people who are debuting. I have two girls who have done so much work. I have one girl who is, you know, who is figuring out how to make her her struggle, personal struggle was how do I bring more vulnerability to the character, how do I do this, so everyone had their own agenda. So it's not like, I mean, and this is of course, I just mean actors are actors, problems are problems. Because of age there wasn't a problem, and that never happened, and I hope that reflects in the show also, that ultimately people are people.
My next question is to Anushka. I have seen you since यहाँ मैं घर घर के लिए.
Oh wow, that's long back.
How young were you then?
8.
Yeah.
Oh, 7 I thought, yeah.
8, almost 8.
Cutie.
एक साल.
एक साल तक चलेगा
एक साल
से
चलेगा.
off क्या? Sorry.
Yeah, no. So I have seen you. So I have seen your struggles. I have like after television you did films,
Yeah.
then series.
Yeah.
So how is industry treating you? How has been your journey?
I will say that I've been really fortunate to have worked with incredible people. I still say that sets have been the school of acting for me. I never went and actually, studied acting separately. Of course, I did filmmaking, like I graduated in filmmaking, but the real practical sense of acting and everything that I've learned is on set. And that's why when I was a child artist also, I used to always be on set, be in front of the monitor, and have worked with amazing directors and actors who have taught me so much. And industry has been really well. Of course, there are struggles, ups and downs, but that doesn't mean that it's not meant for you. Like, I think people who are just starting out, they feel that it's so tough and certain people can only make it. But now, given the fact that we have OTT coming in and we have actors from different places and different calibers coming together, collaborating, creating something that is so unique, that India as a country is, I think, making its own space in the global scenario. And I'm just so fortunate that I play a little part in that space. I'm just trying to grow, learn as much as possible, and even though I have spent quite a few years doing this, but there's a long way to go. I have to learn so much, I have to do so much.
This one's hair would fall off her shoulder on the same line in every take. That is what happens when you have an actor who's been acting since they were 8 years old.
So that
they know
helps.
how to make hair fall. They know when they turned like this. They know which side they turned from. They know where their face light is. Before our DP could say light cut raha, she'd be like, excuse me, please, aap mera light cut. Sorry, aap
But
mera
no,
light
genuinely,
cut.
that
So,
experience helps you. When you go to a set, I think it becomes a little easier for me, easier for people who work with me, because devs used to always be like, ये basic चीजों का मुझे आपको समझाना नहीं पड़ता है. So that way really helps me as an actor, and I love this profession. You can be anybody you want to, and there are different characters. You learn different things from different characters, and I think I've met so many amazing people in this industry also. Like this whole cast I'm sitting with, they're all bunch of crazy, really fun people I've met, and they're all so hardworking. I got so inspired literally on this set. Even our crew, in fact our crew, we have to say that our crew, like our producers, all the girl gang of, it starts from Prerna, and then all the people, Seema, Jahanara, you, all of us. So it's just
there were
beautiful.
some nice boys also.
Yeah, of course. Of
I
course.
didn't see any.
Dhruv was very cute.
Dhruv, acha, I thought
I mean, there was Deep, there was Ramesh.
क्या ऐसे टुकड़े में फेंका?
There were good boys like that.
We had
No,
very
no, we
nice
had a
men also
great
on our
set. We had a great set.
Yeah.
That's
And also to work with somebody who's like, you know, like just starting off, say Ruru and Kush both, they both like, it was so inspiring to see because our passions are the same. No matter how many years you have been
And that's
in the
something
industry.
that's true for everyone
Yeah,
in the
the
cast.
passion and
Not
the
just
drive.
these people, even the ones that aren't here. Like even people who were coming in for smaller roles that were maybe one episode, 2 episode
Yeah.
roles. They would do it with so much enthusiasm and honesty and excitement, no?
Yeah.
That it just becomes, everyone gets jazzed,
Yeah.
like and that's it becomes 2 + 2 22 on a set,
Correct,
when you have when you vibe well,
Yeah.
everything just escalates
for
versus
me
if you're
also-
sitting there ki calm hai.
No, correct.
kya hai.
Because for me also, it was as exciting. It was never
Yeah.
like, I'm doing another show. It's not another show. It's
Yeah.
Amazon Prime. It's Asmara, Dil Dosti Dilemma. It's the biggest thing I've done till date. But like that feels very new and different. When we did Prime Day also, our show was amongst the biggest shows that have happened on Amazon Prime. The whole country was watching the event, and they were seeing what all shows are coming up. So it was a great feeling to be among such big actors. So yeah.
Where you'll get like this person who manages to plug the show
Here.
in every answer.
Here, you will get the
Okay,
person here.
We will finish this with a quick
Game?
rapid fire.
Rapid
Sorry, we're very game.
हाँ तो game ही हुआ ना?
Just a subtle
Yeah.
request to Naina to open her eyes.
Open your Naina.
Naina's are
Open your
open
Naina.
only.
Naina is open only.
Naina's are
Naina's.
open. Can you Debbie not?
Can you Debbie not?
Okay, quickly, everyone will answer. I'll pose a
Do we
question.
have a buzzer or something?
No,
Beep,
no,
put your hand up.
everyone will.
Oh,
No,
everyone
will.
But
answer.
rapid fire,
quickly.
no
Turn by turn,
question.
But quickly.
No thinking.
No
Yeah.
thinking.
Start from
quickly.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, start from Rukhsana.
Start from there.
Start from there.
Please,
yeah.
from there.
It's simple question.
It's simple question.
let's
Simple
start.
question.
Okay, okay.
Rapid fire, no?
Rapid fire, yeah.
Rapid fire.
So my first question is your favorite vacation destination.
Oh,
Korea.
Korea. Oh wow. Nice.
Of course.
घर
Kerala.
मैं घर नहीं रहती तो हूँ घर ही
My
मेरा
hometown.
vacation.
Smriti.
Mine is recently it's been Canada.
Kodaikanal.
Last time
Hey,
you fooled someone.
Sorry?
Last time you fooled someone.
Yesterday.
I only get fooled.
Actually, no, this was spitting facts.
ये लाया
I'm the
ना?
fool.
Someone asked anything.
Yesterday.
Last time you fooled
30
someone.
minutes back.
Yesterday.
Oh, well done.
Last week.
Actually,
Last
Week.
week?
Yeah.
Kya santa.
3 days ago.
Yeah. Rukhsana is like, ये तो
She's
मेरा
like
दोस्त
3
होता है.
years ago.
2 मिनट के बाद करूंगी.
फिर करती हूँ अभी आपको भी
आज सुबह ही किसी ने पूछा तुम घर से निकला और मैं हाँ बोला. मैं नहीं निकला था.
That you have done every day.
My favorite actor.
Oh,
Oh. Debbie Rao. I think
No,
she has
this
so
is
much
tough.
potential.
yeah.
Debbie.
or in
Any actor.
Any actor. Manoj Bajpayee sir.
I love Ranbir Kapoor.
Why are you blushing? He's married.
Okay, it's fine.
Ranbir Kapoor to I mean all time favorite.
That's true. He's cute.
yeah. I'm trying
Oh,
to
it's
think.
Fahad
childhood.
Fasil for me.
Huh?
Fahad Fasil.
Oh, nice.
He's good.
It's Mallu gang for us.
Ranveer Singh.
Oh, nice.
You didn't say only.
I like Vikrant Massey a lot.
Amazing.
I think right now.
So good.
Right now, I like.
So proud of him.
Farzan is not answering.
Your
I did.
first crush.
He said Ranbir Kapoor.
First.
Crush.
First grade.
Ranbir Kapoor.
I swear.
Yes.
Life.
In life.
High five? Yeah.
I made a full album of him.
I also had like Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranveer's pictures
Ranbir
collage.
Kapoor was your first crush.
First crush.
And my
Ranbir
dad
Kapoor
was-
and Enrique.
Aren't you thinking a little local?
First grade.
Oh my god, I loved
उसको राखी बांधी
Enrique.
मैंने.
I had
Enrique?
heart eyes for him.
My first crush was someone from Backstreet Boys.
Yeah.
This singer from Backstreet Boys called AJ. He was very cool.
Oh
he
my
had
God.
piercings and he had he was very cool. He had tats and all. I was very like,
Ooh,
ये तो मेरे को
excuse
चाहिए.
me.
This first time utsukta happened as a woman. As a
Utsukta.
child in school, when I was like, oh, these feelings are also possible. Sorry, please
Okay, my last question is actor you wish to work with.
Oh,
Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranveer.
All good actors.
I want to also
Everyone.
Shah Rukh sir.
I'm not even kidding. So, just a moment, guys. Moment करो, slow moment, guys. Yes,
Moment,
come on.
On this note, everyone watch Dil Dosti Dilemma
On Amazon Prime.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Baba. Thank
It
you.
was lovely talking to
It was
you.
lovely.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.